This is the Redragon EISA K686 full-sized keyboard, and let's get straight to the point. This keyboard is great for those who want a full-sized keyboard that's lightweight but still has a premium typing experience and just a custom keyboard typing experience for cheap. I've been using this keyboard for a while now, and yeah, I definitely see myself using this keyboard in the long term. I'd recommend it to those who travel with their keyboard. Maybe they need a full-sized keyboard when they go to work and they want to bring a good feeling keyboard to work. Yeah, because this is super lightweight and it just offers a really good typing experience. Yeah, it's definitely one of the best Redragon products that I've ever used. Yeah, I'm just amazed at the build quality and the feel of this keyboard. So it uses Redragon's custom Leopard L linear switches. They're pre-lubed and they just feel super smooth to use. The keyboard, of course, is also hot swappable. It is also gasket mounted, so Redragon has really been on the top of their game with these new keyboards. For this colorway, the legends of the keys are on the side. There also is an aluminum volume knob. The case itself is made of plastic, so it is pretty light. It's advertised at 1 kilogram, so yeah, it's pretty light. And of course, you have your tri-mode connectivity of 2.4 gigahertz wired and Bluetooth, and you also have an option to switch between Mac and Windows mode. And of course, you have your 5 layers of dampening, and honestly, it's a little bit on the quieter side of mechanical keyboards. So if you like a quieter keyboard, but you want that custom keyboard feel, this keyboard is great. And of course, you also have your adjustable feet for different typing angles. And the software is pretty straightforward. It's just a regular mechanical keyboard. The software is very simple. You pretty much just change your lighting effects. There's not much you can do. You can add more effects if you want, have macros. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the software. In the unboxing, we have a user manual, some stickers, a USB-C cable, a switch and keycap puller, some extra switches, and of course the keyboard itself. But yeah, in conclusion, the typing experience of this keyboard is really good for $80. You don't really need to mod or upgrade this keyboard. Yeah, so if you don't really care about the weight of a keyboard, this lightweight plastic case is not a big deal. I mean, yeah. I think the most important thing of a keyboard is the typing experience, and the switches feel great. The stabilizers are pretty good. There's no rattle or anything. So yeah, really good job from Redragon. This keyboard is pretty fantastic. Anyways, that's it. See ya.